We're here in the middle of the Aquaculture Congress, so what are the challenges of this Congress?
So it's the challenge of having the space to organize an exhibition with 166 exhibitors here, but also having the conference where we need something like 10 or even more parallel rooms of 150 people. So that's not always easy to do. When you think that something will work and you know it will work, I think on both sides, on yours and also on ours, it was then just a question of saying, okay, how can we do this in detail? How can we match the facilities that we have here with also the hotel space that we have, and try to fit everything in. So the contacts have been very good. The old kind of saying that there's no problems, there's only solutions. And Valencia, especially in this region, and with the strong historical and cultural history of the city itself, people are coming here to work during the day, but they're enjoying the beautiful city of Valencia in the evening.
What's your feeling about the place?
My indicator is when I see people around and I see people networking and talking to each other, and I see the smiles on their face, and the weather is with us as well. So I'm happy.